Special thanks to Tesmax, who was nice enough to send us this Category 8 Ethernet cable. So these can transmit 40 gigabytes per second through the cable. Let's take a look at the included cable here. That's it for the bag. So you can see it's a little more heavy duty, I feel. The cable is a little thicker than a standard Ethernet cable. I like these little clips they used. Very nice. But if you're setting up a home network and say you're wanting things to be transferred very quickly, Category 8 cables would be the way to go. If you were to get a good gigabit switch and then plug it in with Category 8 cables, you would be getting every bit from your computer. So if you're transferring files between two computers, plugged in with Category 8 is going to be faster than anything else. And if you look at these, they got this nice, I mean, look at that. That just looks great. I love that. That's the best press I think I've ever seen on any cable to release it from the device that it's plugged into. Little Tesmax logo there, nice gold connector. And like I said, this cable, it's bendable, but it's a little bit thicker than a regular cable. That'll do it for this Category 8 cable unboxing. Thanks again to Tesmax for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.